Dangers of Chat GPT. Chat GPT, powered by the GPT 3.5 architecture, is an impressive language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. While Chat GPT has revolutionized the way we interact with AI and brought numerous benefits, it is crucial to acknowledge and understand the potential dangers associated with its use. One of the primary dangers of Chat GPT lies in its susceptibility to manipulation. As an AI language model, Chat GPT lacks the ability to discern malicious intent or fact-check the information it generates. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Misinformation and bias. Misinformation and bias are significant concerns associated with the use of Chat GPT. As an AI language model, Chat GPT relies on the vast amount of training data it has been exposed to, which includes information from various sources on the internet. However, this training data may contain biased or inaccurate information, which can impact the responses generated by the model. If the training data contains skewed viewpoints, misinformation, or propaganda, there is a risk that Chat GPT may inadvertently generate or reinforce such content in its responses. The lack of contextual understanding in Chat GPT further exacerbates the issue. The model operates on a word-by-word basis without a comprehensive understanding of the context or the ability to critically evaluate the information it generates. This can lead to the spread of misleading or superficial information, as the model may produce responses that sound plausible but lack a deeper understanding of the topic at hand. 2. Privacy and data security. Privacy and data security are significant concerns when it comes to the dangers of Chat GPT. Interactions with the AI language model often involve the exchange of personal or sensitive information. If the handling of this data is not done securely, it can lead to privacy breaches and potential misuse. When users engage with Chat GPT, they may inadvertently share personal details such as names, addresses, phone numbers, or even financial information. If this data is not properly protected, it could be stored or accessed by unauthorized individuals, resulting in identity theft, fraud, or other malicious activities. Moreover, the nature of AI language models like ChatGPT necessitates that user inputs are stored and processed by the model to generate accurate responses. This data retention raises concerns about the extent to which personal information is stored, who has access to it, and for how long it is retained. Unauthorized access to this stored data can compromise the privacy of individuals and potentially lead to data breaches. Data security is also a crucial aspect of the dangers associated with ChatGPT. Robust security measures should be in place to safeguard user data from unauthorized access, hacking attempts, or breaches. Encryption techniques and secure transmission protocols should be utilized to protect sensitive information during storage and communication. 3. Lack of contextual understanding. One of the dangers associated with ChatGPT is its lack of contextual understanding. While the model is capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant responses, it operates on a word-by-word basis without a deep understanding of the overall context. This means that it may sometimes provide answers that sound plausible but lack a deeper comprehension of the subject matter. Without contextual understanding, ChatGPT may generate responses that are superficial or fail to consider the broader implications of the conversation. It may not fully grasp the nuances, complexities, or underlying intentions behind the questions or statements it receives. This can lead to the dissemination of incomplete or misleading information. For instance, if a user asks a question about a controversial topic, ChatGPT might provide a response based solely on the surface-level understanding of the words used, without considering the broader social, cultural, or ethical implications involved. This can result in the spread of misinformation or the reinforcement of biased viewpoints. 4. Ethical implications. One of the significant dangers associated with ChatGPT is its ethical implications. As an AI language model, ChatGPT lacks personal ethics or moral judgment. It generates responses based on patterns it has learned from training data, without considering the ethical implications of its responses. This can lead to the dissemination of harmful or offensive content. Without proper oversight and guidance, there is a risk that ChatGPT may be exploited to spread hate speech, promote illegal activities, or engage in other forms of unethical behavior. The responsibility lies not only with the developers and researchers, but also with the users who interact with ChatGPT. It is crucial for users to exercise caution and consider the ethical implications of their interactions. Additionally, developers and organizations have a responsibility to implement robust safeguards to prevent the misuse of AI models. This includes carefully curating training data, implementing bias detection and mitigation techniques, and establishing guidelines for responsible use. Addressing the ethical implications of Chat GPT requires ongoing research, collaboration, and public discussion. Efforts must be made to promote transparency, accountability, and user empowerment. By actively working towards addressing ethical concerns, we can ensure that AI language models like Chat GPT are developed and used in a manner that aligns with societal values and respects ethical principles. 5. Psychological impact. The psychological impact of using Chat GPT can be significant and is an important aspect to consider when discussing the dangers associated with AI language models. Interacting with Chat GPT can create the illusion of conversing with a sentient being, leading some users to develop emotional attachment or dependence on the AI. The model's ability to generate coherent and seemingly empathetic responses can elicit feelings of connection and companionship. However, it is crucial to recognize that AI models like ChatGPT lack true emotions, empathy, and genuine understanding. Users may inadvertently project their own emotions onto the AI, attributing human-like qualities that are not actually present. This can lead to a sense of false companionship and an over-reliance on the AI for emotional support or advice. Extended interactions with ChatGPT may also have psychological implications. Users may experience frustration or disappointment when the model fails to provide satisfactory responses or guidance. They may seek validation or affirmation from the AI, which can reinforce unhealthy patterns of seeking external validation or avoidance of human interaction. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.